Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of English with Sarvi. Well, in this episode I'm going to tell you about GooseChase. GooseChase is a platform just like Instagram, but with more framed, more organized features that can provide learning through experience and also problem solving. You know, what I was thinking about when I was playing the game with my colleagues was that I don't need to win, I just need to solve the problem that was given to me. It also made me think about what I am really capable of doing, but not as an individual, in a team. And I could definitely feel it when my ego was getting in the way of accomplishing results with the team, and when my creativity kept us moving forward.
Tell me, what exactly are we going to do now?
We're going to pose like battles, but we won't be able to do it.
Okay, why? Why do you think we won't be able to do it?
Come on, we're 6.
Okay.
It's like John Lennon and Yoko Ono has 2 more kids.
Okay, how about we do this? Some people are doing the pose, some people are filming, and we ask another person to take a photo of everything. Even the ones that are taking a photo and the ones that are doing it.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, at some point you think about winning because actually each task is marked in the game, but I guess it really depends on what you stress more, what you focus on more when you are instructing your students.
That was that. It was going. It was. This is.
Hola. Ciao.
Namaste.
Salam alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
So a game that can make you think about all of these things, that can provide that kind of excitement for your team, for your students, then I guess it is definitely worth giving a try, right? So if you're ready, let's go and I will tell you how it works.
Şimdi şurada bakın, mavi bir buton var, New Game diye, görebildik mi? Şurada onu tıklayalım. Şöyle göstereyim size değerli arkadaşlar. Bakın.
Okay, so as you can see here, I opened the GooseChase website, goosechase.com. I've already created my account, so I'm just going to go to my games and then new game. I can upload an image, but I'm gonna leave it here. Maybe we can call it like Sarvi's game. And then, yeah, capital S. And then maybe the game description could be having fun together. We can also add the location. We probably will add our school's location if I want to play it with my kids. And then the password could be Sarvi. Then save and continue. Here, you can add your participants. Okay, I don't recommend playing it with individuals, but you can if you want to. Usually I think it is best played with a team. So calm down, then pre-create your teams if you're playing it at school. It is definitely necessary for you if you are playing it and using the free version. You can only have like 5 teams, maximum 25 students, 25 participants. But if you buy an account, I guess you can have more than that. So we can create our team here, let's say Team A, The access code of the team could be Team A again. We created, let's create another team. Let's call it Team B. Again, their access code will be Team B. They can also have their own image. You can ask them, I mean, your first task could be to ask them to upload a perfect creative photo of themselves and their team members together. We can then go for start and stop. Here, you can either choose the automatic version, when you can enter the time that it begins and the time that it ends, or make it manual. Okay, you can manually say like, I don't know, 1 hour or 7 days or 1 day. Here, let's call it 30 minutes. And then we click, as soon as we click on start, the game starts. So remember to first prepare your students, ask them to download the app, have it on their phones, and enter, use their passwords and enter, and then push the start button. Alrighty, let's go to missions. And let's see what we want our students to do. You can look at the mission bank. There are a lot of awesome suggestions here. Like, for example, brilliant. Snap a shot of teammates standing under a light bulb as if coming up with a brilliant idea. Okay, this is definitely a photo mission. You can have different forms, like a photo mission or a video mission or even a text-based mission if you want to work on them using the language. Okay, so now let's create one mission together. We will call it
ask a teacher. It could be teacher's memory, whatever. Then we will have like find a teacher and ask them what they love about teaching. And write it down.
So as you can see, I can also tell them to video it, but then I need to choose the video mission, not the text base. So if I want them to use their language, I can, change it to write down, or if I want them to just record, a teacher and just have it on their database, I can ask them to do that. That will be really fun. And then save changes. I can also attach links, attach image. And as you can see in the advanced setting, we've got we can also click on show in feed to show it to the other students, other participants, or we can keep it hidden. I am going to go for shown in feed. Because this is nice, they can give likes to each other, just like Instagram. And then save changes. Oh, yeah, I forgot something. Yeah, the points. Here I can give them like 500 points for that, and then save changes. So here, as soon as I'm done, I'm going to just go back to start and stop, and then just click on start the game. And then there we go. As you can see at the top, we've got like 29 minutes, 42 seconds to just go ahead and finish the missions.
Let's go.
And I don't remember your name. That's, shameful. Yeah, embarrassing. Sure. Yeah, we're doing this.
I think we should.
Let's find a page. No, let's show us first. Okay. If you're okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to be real.
Guys, honey.
Ready?
Hands up. Yes.
Ready?
Your legs.
Ready?
And your hands.
Is it okay, everything?
Your hands.
Okay. Now, just look at the book.
So I'm thinking with online students, because still a lot of countries cannot really have face-to-face lessons, we need to have a remedy for them. Again, the online version will definitely be possible. Then your kids will have to do a lot of individual stuff at home. But then, you know, usually in the normal situation, we used to have WhatsApp groups. We would share their work in there and they would see each other. It wouldn't feel like social media. It wouldn't give them that feeling. But here, because there is like a feed and then they will upload their videos. Like for example, let's imagine they've learned parts of the house. They can easily film and video, have a mission, video around the house and talk on the video and then send it on their feed. And then the other people can like. I didn't see as if it was possible for them to comment, but they can give likes to each other, and the feeling that this is just like Instagram, which is really popular, especially between teenagers, I think that will make them not only do it themselves, but also have a look at what others have done.
Do you think we're gonna win?
No, of course we. Of course. We are the champions.
Oh yeah.
Others are looking at you, sitting like this.
And picture would be better than the video. So
Like this. Like this.
I'll take the picture.
Like this, showing it to me.
Now let's open GooseChase together. Here is our game, the one we played with our colleagues. I hope you can see it well. Well, these are the ones that we couldn't complete and these are the completed ones. And I really want to show you our feed. Like, look. It's just like Instagram. Yeah, look at this one. Really cool.
How do you like it? I mean, did you enjoy? Oh my god, look at her face! You really enjoyed it, right? So, how did you like it, Aki teacher?
I did. I really liked it, and we lost track of time. We simply lost track.
It was so cool. So, Masoud, the game is over. How do you feel?
I feel game over.
Oh, come on! I think you did a nice job.
Yeah, we couldn't upload 2 of them.
Yeah, but we did a very nice job, right?
Yeah.
We will see. Yeah, we will see all of them on my YouTube channel instead.
You can follow.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.